Hey Keegan, hey, I got your question. I just got it now, or I would have got to it earlier, and so I hope I'm doing the right one. I know you want to see a picture of my beautiful face there too. All right, so in 39, can you see this? There we go. Oh, I got this too. Hang on, let me zoom out. If I know how to zoom out. Here we go. All right, sweet. This is a new thing. I had problems with my dock camera, which you don't care about. Anyway, number 45, asteroid. The asteroid study of exercise 39. The actual pH measure week 50 was 5.08. So the actual pH measurement was 5.08. And I didn't read the question because that's week 50. That's the pH measurement. So pH was 5.08. And it says find, interpret the residual for this week, which is week 50. Okay, so this is the actual measurement. This is called pH hat, H-A-T. That just stands for that's your regression line or your trend line that you use to make predictions. So I'm going to come around here. So pH hat equals 5.43 minus 0.0053. I want to double check those zeros. I feel like I got one too many. Nope, there's two, times the 50 weeks. So then pH hat equals, get my calculator out. You don't need to see that. 5.43 minus 0.0053 times 50 equals, and I get 5.165. Okay, now the residual is always observed minus predicted, because I think what they asked for is for me to interpret and 45. They want me to find and interpret the residual for the week. So let's find it first. Observed is this one, 5.08 minus, that's your predicted, 5.165. And I get, when I do that, negative, I get a negative number. And I'll talk about that in a second. Negative 0.085. And when it's negative, that means that, for example, if this were your trend line and it's negative, it means it's below. If it's positive, it means it's above. Okay, so it's below our trend line. Now, our prediction is this, and I'm just going to say it to you without actually writing it down. I hope that's okay. It's the actual pH value for that week was 0.085 less than predicted. That's the interpretation. And that's a critical piece of that thing too. For those people that want to get 4s and 5s, they have to be really good in interpreting. So let me say that again. The actual pH value for the week was 0.085 less than predicted. I hope that helps.